Yo, everyone, what is the hidden ingredient behind success of cold email or any lead generation for that matter? It's something that I think is not really talked about enough, but in my opinion, that hidden ingredient to success is proof. Okay, so you got to have proof. Like, I see way too often, I get cold DMs on LinkedIn, Twitter, cold emails, and it's always people making a claim, and then a lot of the times there's just like no proof, um, and it just creates a huge disconnect. So what you really want to do is make sure that whatever the cold outreach you're doing, that you've got some kind of proof attached to it. And in cold email, for example, that can just be something as simple as just like a one sentence case study. You could even like add in a link to some piece of content, like a case study, a training you've done, or in your email signature, you can have like a link to like a VSL LinkedIn profile that's well optimized. Like, you just have to have like some kind of proof that adds credibility to the claim you make, because generally when you are doing cold outreach, you're making a claim, and that claim will often fall on deaf ears without proof. Okay, it is possible to get results without proof, but it is harder, number one, and secondly, your offer needs to be positioned in a very specific way in order to do that. Okay, so overall, in general, it's definitely easiest to have proof that backs up the claim you're making when you do cold outreach. Okay, and that really, in my opinion, is like a hidden ingredient for success. I think it gets overlooked a little bit sometimes, amongst other things like but yeah, really important in my opinion to make sure there's some proof, and just to lower the disconnect. Because as soon as you reach out cold to someone, they're probably thinking, who the fuck is this? What do you want? Is this guy talking shit? And proof just helps bridge that disconnect or that gap a little bit closer. So yeah, really important to make sure you have some kind of proof to back up whatever the claims you're making. And I guarantee in most cases this is going to significantly help your positive response rates as well. So that's pretty much it for this one, short and sweet one. Hope it helped, and see you on the next video.